I have the video from both Nick and Hank's runs from this past weekend, and we're going to talk about how they went. Both of the runs, I was going into the arena with the intention of a clean 70 run. Not trying to win the class, not trying to add any extra degree of difficulty, just have a clean, correct run on both horses. This is Nick first. The main thing he needs, he's been shown some and he's been pretty successful in the show pen, but this is his first time showing a cow class, and he needs his confidence built mainly on the cow. His reining is pretty solid. We do have a few little bobbles in this reining pattern, but nothing too bad. Come through the arena and had a late lead change right there in the back. He's loping pretty nice circles. He's soft in the face, and I wasn't trying to set any blazing speed records or anything. I just want a clean, correct run. What I'm after is I don't want to worry him, push him too hard in the reining, and have him worried when the cow comes out. The day before when I showed him, we had way too much cow, more cow than what he was ready for, and it did scare him, and I needed to build his confidence in the arena. I didn't come through the middle as straight as I should have in that last lead change. Now we're going to run down. I'm not trying to build a whole bunch. We're just going to lope down and get stopped. Again, just a clean, correct run is what I'm after. I could have spurred on him and got a little bit more speed there, but again, I want to keep him relaxed. Being his first cow show, he was a little bit worried. He hasn't been shown a whole lot anyways. Lope down again, we'll get another stop. Nick's a very nice horse. He's needs more confidence. That's the main thing I'm after right here in this run. Lope down, we're going to get another stop here. That stop wasn't as good, and he's a little bit sluggish in his back up there. Mainly he was just worried. His body was a little bit tight, and he just needs to be shown more. And just asking for the clean, correct runs. When he was shown, the few times he was shown NRHA, he was pushed pretty hard, so he's a little bit worried about what's going to happen when he gets in the show pen. And that's a big reason why I wanted to go easy on him on the cow work. I didn't want to give him another reason to be scared in the show pen. Now here we're waiting for our cow to come out. Notice I'm staying pretty far back from the end of the arena. I want to give the cow plenty of room. I don't want to be challenging it too hard too quick. These cows have been pretty hot. They've been a handful. So we're staying back a little bit. Give the cow a little bit of room. Give Nick a little bit of room so he's not pushed too hard from the beginning. Nick's standing nice and patient, ears flicking back on me. Now the cow's coming up and we're stepping up. What I'm after right here, I want to just ride straight across with the cow and get stopped. At home, Nick locks onto the cow really good. There I'm challenging enough to get in the cow's bubble, lope across and stop. I want to make sure we go straight. We're not closing in on the cow. Straight across and get stopped. We're going to have to challenge the cow a little bit more so we can show the judge that we can push it. And get up to the cow. He's actually locking on pretty good there. Now we're going to push it down the fence. Oh, nope, not yet. Get another turn. Now I'll push it down the fence. Okay position there. We needed to be closer for a better run down the fence, but I kept that space to slow the cow down. That turn wasn't real good, but we got it turned. He locked on the cow. There he could have locked on the cow a little better. He more stopped on me. We're going to get a better turn on the cow. There he was locked on the cow better. As he gets more comfortable in the pen, he'll start locking better on the cow. Now here I had to push on him a little bit, and this worries him. You'll be able to see he's not steering as good off of my rein because the speed is worrying him a little bit. But we do end up getting him circled. We ended up marking a 134, I believe, and ended up taking a check for, getting a check, limited open second place. And I felt like this was a real good confidence builder for Nick. And see right there, I was having a hard time stopping him. That was because he got fired up because I had to kick on him to get up to the cow. I just got worried. He just needs to be shown more. Now here's Hank. I'm doing similar here. We're just going for a clean 70 run, but I'm doing it for a different reason. Last several times I showed Hank, I pushed him pretty hard and we marked pretty high. I've taken a check, I think, every time I've shown him this year, and he's been doing really good. He's qualified for the Celebration of Champions final show in February. So this run I wanted to just be slow and relaxed and get him more relaxed in the arena. I know I can push him fast, and I know he actually would rather go fast, but I need to know that he'll go slow and he'll listen to me going slow. We lope around through this pattern and there's really no bobbles, no issues anywhere. And he's relaxed, his ears are flicking around. I'm extremely happy with this run on Hank. He did everything I asked him to do, stayed relaxed the whole time. It's really important for a horse to be able to lope these slow patterns like this, because this is what keeps their mind in a good position so that you can push them later. If you're always running hard, always pushing hard, your horse is eventually going to get arena sour. As long as you can lope these slow runs like I'm doing on Hank here, they'll last a really, really long time in the pen. I've had clients that I've hauled to run for world titles that we've hauled the same horse 3 years in a row, and the horse stayed fresh, showing world titles 3 years in a row because we were smart about how we showed it. We mixed in these 70 runs. And by 70 run, I mean when you go in the pen, you start with a 70 and your score goes up or down depending on your added degree of difficulty or your mistakes. And if you come out of the pen with a 70, then you've gone in and did all the maneuvers correctly with no added degree of difficulty. And that's what I'm looking for here with Hank. You see, every time we pause, he's nice and relaxed, not worried, not trying to leave for the next maneuver, not anticipating what comes next. He is waiting for me with every maneuver. That's what I want. He is ready to show in February. His mind is ready. Between now and then, I'll be working on keeping him physically fit and doing some more things with his mind. We'll play with some cows, we'll go trail riding, keep his mind fresh. That's the main thing. Now here with this cow work, I'll let him put a little bit of pressure on the cow, but again, we're still going for just a clean 70 run. Not really asking for any degree of difficulty, just get the work done correctly. I want to try to put my hand down as much as I can. He tends, in his boxing on the cow, he kind of tends to want to push into the cow in his rollbacks. So I'll make contact with him to keep him in straight line so we don't squeeze in on the cow. He's good about stopping, but he wants to leak in, so I help him a little bit there. And he is a son of Jerry Lee Surprise, which is a straight reining horse. He really shouldn't have any cow in him. Of course, all of these horses go back to cow blood eventually, but that goes to show you, even when they don't have cow blood in them, sometimes they can cow really good. Right there, I was getting him a little straight. He wasn't in the position I wanted him in. We barely made our center marker. That's about the only thing there. I would have liked his rate to be better so that we'd have got past that center marker. Now here I had to push on him a little bit to get up to this cow. And he ends up getting up there, but I think he got a little bit complacent because the rest of it was slow. And then I had to push him there. So we marked, I think, a 139, and I took a first place check on Hank. So first and second on those 2 runs. I'm really excited. That was out of 4 in our limited open class. So if you got any questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.